with the parts of the Cartesian coordinate plane. By the way, class, this is an example of Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay, a Cartesian coordinate plane, it is composed of perpendicular number lines. So, pag sinabi anak natin perpendicular line, dalawang line na nag-intersect sa gitna. Hindi lang nag-intersect. Kailangan maka-form ng right angle. Or for example, this is two lines. So, ito yung first line. Okay, pag sinabi natin line, may arrow sa magkabilang dulo. Meaning, this line is infinite. Walang katapusan. So, ito yung first line, then yung second line nag-intersect. At ang intersection nila ay isang point. Then, nung nagkaroon ng intersection, naka-form siya ng right angle. Ang tawag dyan, anak, perpendicular lines. Hindi lahat ng nag-intersect na lines ay perpendicular. Okay, for example, ito, two lines. Nag-intersect. Okay, so meaning, iba yung measure nito dito, tama? So, ang tawag dito, intersecting line lang. Pero kapag yung two lines nag-intersect at exactly one point, at same yung mga sukat nito, meaning nahati sa apat, divided into 4 equally. Okay, at naka-form ng right angle. Ano po ba yung sukat ng right angle? 90 degrees. Ang tawag doon ay perpendicular line. Okay, sabi daw po anak, si Cartesian coordinate plane ay binubuo ng perpendicular number lines. Kaya may mga number na po ito. So, the horizontal number line and the vertical number line. Same pa rin po yan. At the middle of the horizontal number line is 0 at the right side, and positive at the left side, or negative. Ganon din po sa vertical number line. Yung nasa gitna, 0, upper part, positive, lower part, negative. That is the Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay. The horizontal number line, ito po yan, yung nakahiga. Ano daw tawag doon? Okay, very good. This is the x-axis. The horizontal number line is what we call the x-axis. And the vertical number line is what we call the y-axis. So, pag gagawa kayo anak ng Cartesian plane, huwag kalimutang lagyan ng ganito. Laging may ganyan. Para hindi kayo malito kapag nagpa-plot na po tayo ng points. Okay, so next we have also the intersection. The intersection of the two axes is what we call origin. So, where is the origin? At the middle. Ito po yun. So, this is the origin. Yung nasa gitna. And origin is located at 0, 0. Bakit naging 0, 0 po yan? Okay. So, horizontal number line, ano yung nasa gitna? 0. So, vertical number line, ano yung nasa gitna? Okay, 0, 0 po siya. And, nasa gitna siya. Middle siya lagi. Okay, do you understand? Next, we have also plane. Yung Cartesian plane, nahati sa ilan? Sa 4. Okay. A plane is divided into 4 quadrants which are numbered in sequence as. Ito po yun. Quadrant 1. Quadrant 2, Quadrant 3, and this is Quadrant 4. Paano po siya? Counter-clockwise. Kung yung relo, pag ganito, siya po ay pa-counter-clockwise. Okay, moving in a starting from the upper right. Okay, so now, another part is we have also, every point in the coordinate plane can be described by an ordered pair. So, lahat daw anak ng points, pair of number na maglalay, natatama sa ating Cartesian plane, ang tawag daw po doon ay ordered pairs. Okay, ordered pairs where x and y are called the coordinate of the points. Okay, the ordered pair is denoted as x, y. Yung x number lagi, yung first number, lagi yun si x. Yung second number, lagi si y. Okay, another term for x and y. Okay, x or the first number will be the x coordinate or another term is the abscissa. Okay, yun yung x natin, si abscissa. Then the second number, y coordinate or ordinate. So, abscissa and ordinate. So,